Hello! It is time for another trip, which means it's time for another packing video. This time, my mom and I are going to Brazil. We are going for 7 days, 6 nights in country. We will be spending 3 nights in Rio and then 3 nights in Iguazu Falls. I am so excited. We are going to be able to see Christ the Redeemer, so that's one of the 7 wonders of the world. That will be number 6 for me. And I'll hit number 7 hopefully later this month, which means I will finally have hit them all. And I'm really excited to get to experience this with my mom. This is kind of the weather for while we're there. It does look like it's going to rain a good bit, so definitely bringing a rain jacket and I guess a sense of adventure for rain because it is what it is. You can't do anything about the weather. We booked this with a company called Kim Kim, and essentially we had a travel agent in Brazil who kind of helped arrange everything, set our itinerary. We've got a bunch of kind of half-day tours and things while we're there. So I'm really excited to see what Rio and Iguazu Falls has in store for us. So let's pack.